YouTube adventurer 22 freezes to death in a freak snowstorm while filming himself in Swedish wilderness after sending tragic final message to his grandmother. A young YouTuber adventurer who documented his travel on YouTube has died in a freak snowstorm in the Swedish after sending a heartbreaking final message to his grandmother. Storm Beul, 22, a nature lover who enjoyed being alone, was found dead in Lapland on October 30 after spending much of the year hiking solo through the remote Jokkmokk region. He became caught in a devastating blizzard the night before, telling his grandmother in a tragic final message, "It's snowing heavily here, but don't worry, I will survive, you know." Please pray for him. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.